So we try and be as efficient as possible using our clients' time or potential clients' time in getting requirements and getting up and running. So it's usually some parallel effort, and obviously there's conversations around what are the problems we need to solve, and we really focus on business problems. Oftentimes we're being brought in to solve a scale problem, so we need to accelerate development towards a roadmap. So in that context, it's usually one or two conversations to really understand what are the skills we need, what are the components of that team, what are the areas that we need to cover. Do we need to provide a lot of design support? Are they, do we need to create the wireframes and then build the product out, or do we just need to migrate one architecture to another, and it's very back-end focused? So we determine that usually pretty quickly. Once that's done, it really goes into our own proprietary software that will best match candidates or internal candidates with the roles that the team requires. And again, it's based on our own algorithms and really based on providing the best possible team for our clients. So what we like to do is, and it's a process we've found leads to a lot of success, is that we like to have our candidates start working with our clients for 2 weeks, and sometimes we'll even do that on a trial basis. And the reason why we do that is that we want our candidates to start adding value as quickly as possible. Obviously, there's a lot of knowledge transfer that occurs there. We're willing to invest in that and let people, really show their best face doing real-world tasks. So oftentimes, in a technical interview or a situation, that's something that can be very stressful and can take time and doesn't always focus on what the practical problems someone will be facing on a day-to-day basis. The best way to experience that is really diving in, looking at those problems and tackling them. And that's where we feel like we can really show our best side and really guarantee success.